Hello, my name is Zach Nelson, and today I'm going to demonstrate one of the many different tool and device integrations that we have here at Pico. In this case, I'm going to demonstrate how you might connect data from a Google Sheets and bring that into Pico into your traceability and operator screens. In this case, you might imagine that I'm building up an assembly as an operator, and as the final stage of this assembly, I need to test that this part is good. In your factory, you may have custom software or internally developed applications that can test your parts. And in this case, we have an example of a test that's saving data to a Google Sheet. Just as a quick example, here's a look at what that data sheet looks like. We can see that each run of the test creates a new row in our Google Sheet. So in this case, we have a step in our process where an operator has assembled this electrical assembly, and they need to follow the on-screen instructions, which say to plug in the device over USB, and then they're going to click on this link to load a custom end-of-line software. They're going to then do the test using their software, which is going to run through a few little end-of-line tests and ultimately post data to a Google Sheet. And here we can see in our Google Sheet, we have a new data row that's come in. And back on the Pico operator screens, the operator can simply click on the action button, and Pico is going to handle automatically the fetching of that data and store it in the process. We can see the value here with all of the extra metadata, which comes straight from the Google Sheet. Over in the process view, we can look at the full traceability of this serialized part. We scroll over to our end-of-line action. We can see both previous results as well as the most recent one, along with all of the metadata. If you'd like to see more of the tool integrations we have at Pico, please feel free to reach out to us or come to our website at picomes.com.